This is a dedication to our brothers, Mr. Oko, who lost in life in the jungle. See, yeah, brother, we miss you so much. We wait to get here with us right now. We miss your brotherly love. We miss you. Everybody in KIZZ miss you so much, so yeah, we need you, but your creator need you most. We want you, but God is the maker of all. See, Martis miss you, Jerry C miss you, Atara miss you, Joe miss you. See, even I myself miss you so much. We pray and rest in peace. Rest in peace until we meet again. Rest in peace until we rest again. Rest in peace until we meet again. We miss you so much. We miss you. We miss you. Kali miss you. Everybody miss you. I wish life is the thing money could buy. We buy back your life. I wish life is the thing money could buy. We buy it all again. Big what you're in a mist. I still miss you. I still miss you. Timaya miss you. Everybody miss you. See, eyes full of tears, our hearts full of pains. Your loss costs us what a big. See, it's your boy Emilio, who did it for you. Your boy Emilio miss you so much. Yeah, Mr. Oko, we miss you so much. Yeah, in our life, we pray.